So these are the charts that I shared. I will give the link in the description of that video. So let's see how they have performed. This was the chart that I have kept in that video's thumbnail. So here from the support it have moved very well, making continuous dojis, almost dojis. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Expect this and move around 3%. This was the very tricky situation here. It will make or break. Every this continuous 2 days dojis, then this bullish candle again dojis. The one who have buyed here and sold around here. Yes, hope means that there is something has learned from the market. So the stock that have performed very well this month, and I also mentioned that it may become rocket. Yes, so this was the pattern. It was around 2nd May means before this candle. It was here. See, breakout and the closing was just above the trend line. See, not a huge candle, so we should have waited for the retest, but closing not very huge, just near the trend line. So this was the best entry scenario, and the return that we would have get is around 10%, now 12%. But after the trend line broke, it started the uptrend, and here we have witnessed a strong reversal pattern. See, here and here too. But this is not a perfect reversal pattern, or we can say a perfect, because the low of this candle is not breaked here. You can see. So yes, very less difference. Here you can say gap, and again here I will delete this. Just from the 1 rupee, this candle's low. Here you can see the low 655, and this candle's low is 654. Yes, and see the closing here. The closing matters. This candle 656. So it has closed 1 rupees above of this candle. Is that really matter? The 1 point, the 1 rupee, does that matter in the price action? So let's see. Here there are the gold volumes generated here in the upward direction, not continuous but somewhat. Here again good volume, continuous green days. So let's see how it moves. It has crossed the previous, the major resistance, and now it, you can say, it has took support at this resistance. See here. Let's see now how it moves. It didn't cross in the first attempt. Try to cross. The major resistance are not crossed in the first attempt. It then retraced, sorry, and then again moved up and gave the closing on this day, and now retracement, the gap up opening, and then it took support at the previous resistance. The Nazara Technologies on the 2nd May, yes, it was here. This is the 3rd May, the first day after the video I shared. See, and not sustained well, fall again here. It's something like this breakout, forming something like this. Tata Motors gave the breakout. There was negative news. April month sales came up in the market news. 2nd, yes, this day, this day May month begins here. Not this. Let's see after the breakout how much it had gained. Around on average 9%, 9.5, let's not consider the top 5. Easily 9%. Havels did gave the breakout, but it didn't sustain in its first attempt. The breakout here it retest, but again fall, and then it again went back, again fall, and again now took the support. This may be false breakout. Let's see how it moves furthermore. And TCS. No, no, I just explained this. Yes, the Nifty Auto on the weekly chart. I have talked about these weeks, but this pin bar candle, and now this have give breakout on which week? I think this is second week, third week pretty bullish, and fourth week. Let's see how it goes on the first week of June. So that's for today. I will soon upload the stocks for the June month. So if you want the stocks for the June month from my side, do subscribe and like and share. Thank you.